If you've been sad about the lack of sales that your business is getting despite your posting content to the Lemon8 platform as an entrepreneur, please allow me to share with you why your Lemon8 link in bio shouldn't be to your website. Because you might be making a big mistake if you're putting the link to your website in the website space in your Lemon8 bio. You're falling for a big old head fake. Even though this seems straightforward, it's not. And it can cost you leads and sales, and I'm gonna tell you why. But before I forget, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. So here's the deal. Lead capture is key. I know that sales are the most important macro conversion for your business to get. Of course, you're an entrepreneur. You're selling products, selling services, selling courses, selling digital downloads. You need sales from people shopping your website every single day. I hear you, so do I. So you're gonna think you need to put the link to your website in the website field in your bio or profile on Lemon8, and here I am telling you, nope, you don't. You want the link in that field to lead to your email opt-in form or landing page. You need to capture leads before they flit away like a butterfly from your account, never to return. Once someone's on your email list, they're a lead that you've captured and can market to until such time as they unsubscribe. But you're more likely to reach someone on your email list than social media. Algorithms are finicky, but email delivery to your list of contacts? Not so much. Most people do not buy the first time they go to your website. Really, most people need to be digitally wined and dined by you via your content marketing. You can do that with social media posts on Lemon8. You do want to strike while the iron's hot and get some form of macro conversion out of them when people go to visit your profile and bio on Lemon8. Unfortunately, statistically speaking, most people won't buy from you right away. You have to earn trust with that person who discovered your content and are now checking out your profile, its bio, and all the rest of the content of your account. You need to establish a relationship to get a sale, and that takes time. You need to capture that lead onto your email list so that between what you're posting on Lemon8 and what you share in your emails, you eventually win them over to the sale. That's why the link in bio should be to your email opt-in form or page. So what can you do, you ask, so that you can strike while the iron is hot when someone discovers you on Lemon8, loves your content, and then is intrigued by you? Add some words in your bio. You don't have a lot of room, only 80 characters, so you may need to rework that bio to fit these words in, but you want some words in your bio that says something like, click to get 20% off your first purchase, or something that's more applicable to your business. So if you're not a physical products-based business, you can say, see our website to get a free cheat sheet. You're more likely to get a conversion that way, the macro conversion of someone joining your email list. You don't need a lot of trust to get someone to act on such a call to action. You need a lot more when they're new to you to get a sale. Why have your Lemon8 website link go to an email opt-in form and not your website itself? If someone opts into your email list when your email delivers the coupon code, that email can certainly contain the hyperlink to your website, but at least you've captured the lead first onto your email list, as opposed to just shoveling people to your website where they can flit around and then leave, never to return again, and there's no way to track them down once that's happened. Deliver a coupon code in an email and have the email deliver the link to your actual website too, And your email VIP is a lot more likely to go to your website to shop. Why? They're more motivated to do it now. That coupon or discount gives you leverage. Because if you don't listen to me, you're gonna get burned because everyone today suffers from shiny object syndrome. Without a discount, without someone having trust in your brand or both, you don't have leverage on them. They don't have a bunch of familiarity with you because your business and its offerings are new to them. So guess what? You won't get sales that early in the game otherwise, and people are busy. They have shiny object syndrome. Send them to your website without much of a relationship established, and people will visit, open up other tabs, and eventually close all tabs. Then, out of sight, out of mind. But if they've opted onto your email list on Lemon8, you can keep emailing them until such time as they unsubscribe. But if you're providing value and not always hardcore selling to them, they're very unlikely to do so. About 50% of people opt into email lists expecting to be sold to on a regular basis. Surprise! So at least capture the lead now so that you can get the sale later. Better bio equals better conversions. Your Lemon8 bio needs to contain wording that says succinctly, as you only have 80 characters, who you are, who you serve, how it benefits them, and then they need to click your website link to get a freebie or a discount. That's it. About 3/4 of a successful business's sales can come from their email list members. Email has a 3,800% return on investment according to Benchmark. It's also been said that 81% of small businesses today rely on email opt-ins for their lead retention. Seriously, go for the conversion that you can get, getting someone on your email list, and then you're more likely to get the sale from them 75% of the time through your emails down the road when they might have more trust in your brand. It doesn't take long to get to this point either if you know what you're doing. There you have it. Those are my suggestions as to why your link in bio on Lemon8 shouldn't be to your actual website. Need more help? Be sure to check out these awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.